Good morning, students. I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Hope you all doing well, right? Had your breakfast? Okay, students, let's start the class. Are you all happy? Yes. What shall we start? Okay, in last class, what we have seen? Yes, the poem, right? The poem, and before that, the vowel letters and consonant letters we have seen, right? All of you understood? Hope you all understood the passage. Yes. Let me recall it. Circle the vowel letters. A, I, O, U and U. Letter U sounds like consonant as in university. Here see, university. Here this word university in first letter is U. But it is not give vowel sound here. Here it give the consonant as consonants U, Y, O, U. This it represent here university. So here see the vowel letters are A, I, O, U, O, E and U. A, E, I, O, U is the vowel letters. Then circle the consonant letters. Except these five letters, balance the alphabetic letters also consonant like P, R, L, J, S, K, Y, D, Q. Here see, a syllable is marked by the symbol slash. Here syllables means we have divided the words, right? We have divided the words. It is called the syllable. So we have to put a slash, right? Okay, first we divide the words to pronounce them easier. Here are some tips to divide. First, if there is only one vowel, we cannot divide. We cannot divide cat. For example, these words cat, dog, fox, mud, pan. And then if the middle consonants are double, we divided in between the double, here, in between the double we have to divide it, right? See, in this word rabbit, the consonant B in the middle is doubled. So, we divide the double B as rab slash bit, rabbit. Like that words puppet, pup slash pet, puppet. Button, but slash ton, button. Rubber, rub slash bur, rubber. Kitten, kit slash ten, kitten. Third one is tiger pattern. This is called the cat pattern and this called the rabbit pattern and this is called as tiger pattern. If there is a consonant between the two vowels, then divide after the first vowel. See, tiger, T-I slash G-E-R. In this word tiger, the consonant G is between the vowels I and E. So we divide after first vowel as tiger. Like that, fever, radar. Fever, F-E slash V-E-R. Fever. அடுத்து next radar. R-A slash D-A-R, radar. Then if a word ends with LE, preceded by a consonant, we divide before that consonant sound. Here the word turtle ends with LE followed by the consonant T. So we divide the word before the consonant T as turtle, tur slash till. Like that, handle. This is the turtle pattern. Handle, HAN/DLE, handle. And then circle, CIRCLE, circle. Third one, table, TABLE, table. And divide the words that have same pattern as rabbit. Here we have to rabbit pattern. What? Button and kitten, right? BUT, but/TON, ton, button. Kitten, KIT, kit/TEN, ten, kitten. Then write the word under the correct group and divide it. All of you understood? Yes, hope you all understood this divide letters, okay? Like cat pattern, cow, man, dog, boy. And rabbit pattern, muffin, dinner, tennis, hammer. And tiger pattern, raven, reason, hotel. And last one is turtle pattern, that is purple, marble, sample, table. Then the voyage, right? The voyage. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat decided one morning to hire a boat to leave their own country and find a new one, very much in a manner Columbus had done. The boat went sailing away and away. It sailed and they sailed for a night and a day. And then when all of a sudden there blew a great gale, the horse was a tremble, the tiger grew pale, the ape and the goat nearly fainted together, but the boat went a sailing in spite of bad weather. A sailing it goes to a wonderful country which nobody knows. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. Let's see the rhyming words. Goat, boat. One, done. Away, day. Then gale, pale. Together, weather. Goes, nose. One, done. Okay, today's class. Here start. Glossary first. See, glossary. Hire. The means of hire. Use temporarily for some time for an agreed payment. Use temporarily for some time for an agreed payment. Sail, travel in a boat. Sail, travel in a boat. Tremble, shake or quiver slightly. Shake or quiver slightly. Fainted, fainted, lost consciousness for a long time. Fainted means lost consciousness. Lost consciousness for a long time. And you see a circle. Circle the animals which are in the voyage. We already see 4 animals here, right? In the voyage have goat, tiger, horse and ape, right? So cat is not there and tiger is there in the voyage, right? We have to circle the tiger and ape also in the voyage. Dog is not there, horse is there, right? Horse is in the voyage and goat in the voyage, right? So elephant is not there. We have to write the name of up tiger, 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 and ape, 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 and horse, 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 and goat, GOAT, goat. Then match the following, right? Here they give animals pictures and it's the care. What it found a word, right? Pale, tremble, fainted. See the poem lines. Here, where is pale, tremble and fainted? Here see pale. The tiger grew pale, right? The tiger grew pale. So we have to match pale to the tiger. Pale to the tiger. Yes. Pale tiger. Then tremble. Where is the tremble word? See, the horse was a tremble. Horse was tremble, right? So we have to match the tremble to horse. And fainted. See, nearly fainted together. The ape and the goat nearly fainted together. So fainted, ape and goat. So here the picture is ape. So we have to match the fainted ape. Okay, write the rhyming words. Already we have seen, right? So one done. So we have to write done. One done. D-O-N-E done. And away. Where is away? Here, see. Away, day. Day is the rhyming word of away. D-A-Y, day. And goat. Goat. Here, see, goat. What? Here, see. See, goat, boat. So we have to write goat. What is the rhyming word of goat? Boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Then gale. Gale, see, pale. Gale, pale. P-A-L-E, pale. Then choose the animal. Choose the best answer, right? The animals dash the boat. See the first stanza. Decided the one morning to hire the boat. To hire the boat. So the answer is hire. H-I-R-E, hire. Suddenly there was a what? Suddenly they, when all of a sudden, there blew a great gale. So the answer is gale. G-A-L-E, gale. Then answer the following questions. Students, you have to take your note and pencil. You have to write it in your book. Okay. First question is, why did they sail? Why did they sail? They sailed to find a new country, right? They sailed to, students, you are all have to write it in your book. Okay, you have to write with me. They sailed to find a new country. A new country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, new country. And second question is, like whom did they want to do? Like whom did they want to do? They wanted to do like Columbus. They wanted W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted, they wanted to do, this question is there, wanted to do like Columbus, C-O-L-U-M-B-U-S, Columbus. This question, this answer. And third one is, did they find a new country? Did they find a new country? Yes. Yes. They found a new country. A new country. Let me read. Why did they sail? They sailed to find a new country. Like whom did they want to do? They wanted to do like Columbus. Did they find a new country? Yes, they found a new country. Yes, they found a new country. Next. Let us know. See how they use and, but, and, or to connect two words or sentence. See how they use and, but, and, or to connect two words or sentences. See, first, he has a bat and a ball. For example, these pictures, okay? See, he has a bat and a ball. See, he has a bat and a ball. Then he has a bat but not a ball. He has a bat but not a ball, right? He has a bat but not a ball. Then, would you like a pen or a pencil? Would you like a pen or a pencil? The boy having a pen and pencil. Would you like a pen or a pencil? We have used and, but, or, and these three sentences, right? Like that, for examples, we use and to join sentences that are the same. See, we use and to join sentences that are same. We have to join the same sentence using a word and. See, first example, he has a bat, he has a ball. The boy has a bat and ball, right? So we have to join these sentence. He has a bat and ball. We have to join how he has a bat, and we remove the full stop and add, and we have to remove he has and a ball. He has a bat and a ball. Then we use but to join sentences that are opposites. We use but to join sentences that are opposites. Here the sentences are same. Here the sentences are opposites. He has a bat. He does not have a ball. Does not have a ball. We have to join these sentences. He has a bat, but remove the full stop and he does. We have to remove the he does, but not a ball, but not a ball, not a ball. He has a bat, but not a ball. Then we use or if we have to choose one out of many. One out of many. First sentence the same, second sentence opposite, and third one out of many. For example, do you want rice? Do you want idli? See, do you want, the correct sentence is, do you want rice or idli? Rice or idli. We have to merge the sentence. Do you want rice or idli? Yes. Then some more examples. The bird can fly and hop. Here see, the bird can fly and hop. Yes, then he is small but strong. He is a small boy, right? But very strong. So he is small but strong. Then see, do you want rice or idli? Here see, the man have a rice and idli, right? Do you want rice or idli? Then fill in the blanks with and, but, or. Filling the blanks with and, but, or. I played tennis dash cricket. I played tennis and cricket. So we have to write in the dash and, and. I played tennis and cricket. Second one is the dove dash the ant or friends. Here what it's come? And or but X. The dove and the dove and the ant are friends. Is it the correct sentence, right? The dove and the ant are friends. I want popcorn dash not pizza. I want popcorn but not pizza. I want popcorn but not pizza. Then do you want tea dash coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? Next, an elephant is big and dash slow. An elephant is big but slow. An elephant is big but slow. Would you like bananas dash mangoes? Would you like bananas or mangoes? The correct sentence, let me read it again. I play tennis and cricket. The dove and the ant are friends. I want popcorn but not pizza. Do you want tea or coffee? An elephant is big but slow. Would you like bananas or mangoes? Okay. Next, let us listen. Let us listen. Listen and respond to the directions, then circle the correct action words that you heard and performed. Students, you have to scan this QR, then it have a audio. You have to listen carefully and you have to write the answer. Now I tell the answer, but you have to scan QR and hear the audio sound. Okay, listen and respond to the directions, then circle the correct action words that you heard and performed. First one is, here see, get up, sit down, bend down, stand. The answer is get up. You have to hear the QR code audio. That time you have to understood what it is. Okay. Then ask, hear, tell, shout. Here, tell. Then drink, chew, swallow, eat. The answer is eat. Drive, ride, fly, sail. The answer is drive. Fifth one is imitate, act, do, perform. The answer is act. Then put, throw, take, keep. What? The answer is take. Then read, print, draw, write. The answer is write. Shake, touch, grab, hold. The answer is shake. Tell, say, ask, read. What is the answer? The ask. Open, close, shut, drag. What is the answer? Close. Students, you have to hear the QR code audio. Okay, don't forget it. It is very important to you. Then let us speak. Let us speak. What did the teacher teach? Hi Bashir. Why were you absent yesterday? I had stomachache, Sadhana. Here, the school students were speaking about each other, okay? The girl name is Sadhana and the boy name is Bashir. So, hi Bashir, the girl speak to him. Hi Bashir, why were you absent yesterday? The Bashir replied to her, I had stomachache, Sadhana. Then, are you alright? Yes, I'm fine. Did Max ma'am conduct test yesterday? Yes, she conducted, but don't worry, you can write it today. Thanks. What did the English sir teach? He taught conjunctions yesterday. Oh, I missed it. Don't worry, I will explain it. Thanks, Sadhana. Thanks, Sadhana. What did ma'am teach in Tamil? She taught poem and gave homework. Please help me finish it? Sure. You have to practice the conversation between you and your friend. Okay. Next, structures that are useful for this situation. I have a fever. I had headache or a stomachache. I'm not well. I'm not feeling good. See, I'm feeling ill. Are you fine? Are you okay? What did teacher take? What did the teacher teach? Structure that are useful for this situation. Students, you have to useful these sentences in your class and useful for your situation. Okay. Next, we have to read this passage. Let us read. Buju's brave adventure. On a nice winter morning, Buju's family set out on a trip to the nearby hill. Buju's cousins Appu, Bala, Surya and Janani accompanied him. The kids were so excited to explore the place. Look, kids, be around us, never go anywhere alone. Asma, first have your breakfast, then we will go there. Ma, see the waterfall. Here, Buju's mother started unpacking the food. Meanwhile, the kids could not wait for the parents to take them to the waterfall. So they ran away without informing the parents. Next, ran. Oh, I feel too hungry. I have only one guava. I shall eat it myself. Nothing, Surya. Hey, Appu, what are you eating? Appu swallowed and get hiccups, so Surya and Appu returned to parent. Here, see, Appu swallowed and got hiccups, right? Then, where did you go? Father asked to Appu, where did you go? What about others? Don't worry, Pa, they were playing nearby. Then, without noticing, the other three kept running towards the waterfall. Their Bala and Janani got diverted on seeing a naughty monkey. See here, naughty monkey is there, right? Look, Bala and Janani, look at that naughty monkey. Let us act like it and have fun. I feel very hungry. Let's go. Then, as Bala and Janani felt hungry, they returned to parents, but Buju sped towards the waterfall. He was shocked to see that no one was there. Oh no, I'm alone. Surya, Appu, Janani, Bala. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Is that a roar of a lion? Mummy, is that a roar of a lion? Mummy, then here see, think. How will Buju reach his parents? You have to think, students. I shouldn't be afraid. Let me find a way. I think these footprints. He see the footprints of their friends, right, will help me. On his way, he finds big footprints. I think these should be Appu's footprints. So Appu like fat, right? So then I think these should be Appu's footprints. Then Were you? I was so worried. Yes, ma, I have found you all at last. Now, now, Buchu realized his mistake that he should not go alone without informing parents. So you have to do like that, students. Don't inform and you don't want go alone, okay? Then choose. Choose the correct answer. Bala and Janani acted like the monkey. Acted like the monkey. Monkey. Then Appu felt hungry and ate a guava, right? And got a hiccups also, right? Guava. 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 Then all the children wished to go to the waterfall, right? Waterfall. 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 Then Dash helped Buju to reach his family. Footprints, right? Footprints. Footprints. Footprints helped Buju to reach his family. Answer the following yes or no questions. Did Appu share Goa? Appu don't share Goa to anything else, right? Appu ate Goa himself. So, no. Did Appu share Goa? No. Did all visit the waterfall? No. Only Buju visit the waterfalls, right? Did Buju realize his mistake? Yes. He realized his mistake, right? Okay. Here see, let us read aloud. Read the passage 3 times. Students, read the passage 3 times and color a cup for each time. Each time we have to color one by one these cups, okay? There is a table under a tree. There is a table under a tree. A man with a big hat and a hair with long ears are sitting. A young girl is sitting between them. There are many cups on the table. The girl has a cup in her hand and the man has a pot in his hand. It seems like they are having tea. Yes, they are having tea at the tea party in Wonderland. The girl is Alice and she is in Wonderland. Here you have to color the cup, right? You have to use color pencils, crayons, etc. right? I have a pencil only, so I have to color with the pencils. And second and third time you have to read and you have to color after this cups, okay? See? Then answer the following questions. What is the name of the girl? What is the name of the girl? The girl name is? The name of the girl is Alice, right? Here see the girl is Alice. Alice. Here we have to write the name, the name, the name of the girl is Alice. Alice. Then where does the scene take place? The scene took place in Wonderland. The scene took place in Wonderland. 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 What party is that? It is a tea party, right? It is a tea party. Then what does the man have? The man has a teapot in his hand. The man has a teapot. Teapot in his hand. In his hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Yes. What is the name of the girl? The name of the girl is Alice. Where does the scene take place? The scene took place in Wonderland. What party is that? It is a tea party. What does the man have? The man has a teapot in his hand. Yes, see? Choose the correct picture for the passage. Choose the correct picture for the passage. Yes, see? Harry Potter and Alice in Wonderland and Jungle Book. What is the passage? About the passage Alice in Wonderland. So it is this it is, let us write, okay? This it is tastes, smells mango, yellow, fresh, so juicy. We have to make a sentence through use these words. Here, see. This is a mango. This is a mango. It is yellow. This is a mango. It is yellow. It is juicy. It is juicy. It tasted sour. It tasted sour. It smells fresh. It smells fresh. Then write some sentences about the picture. She has girl shirt, pants, beautiful pink, blue, long hair, right? And has walks, elephant, legs, tusk, trunk, big, long, slowly, strong, right? Yes, here see. The sentence is, you have to write it here. She is a girl. She is a girl. She takes beautiful. She takes beautiful in pink skirt and blue pant She has a long hair, right? She has a long hair. And then elephant. It is an elephant, right? It is an elephant. It is big, right? It is big. Then it walks slowly. It walks slowly with its four legs. Its tusk is strong. Its tusk is strong and its trunk is big. Okay, next. I can do. Choose the correct option. Robinson named the boy Friday. Dash was with Robinson. Dog. Dog was with Robinson. You have to write it in the dash, okay? Robinson sailed England after 28 years. Divide the following words. Here see. Circle, man, not divide, butter and hotel. Then write the word under the correct group and divide it. See, first one is cat pattern. So bat and ball. Then rabbit pattern. Bullet, 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 and tiffin, tiffin, tiffin. Turtle, like candle, and title. So the turtle pattern. Recite the poem A Voyage with correct intonation. You have to read the poem with correct intonation and match the rhyming words. Pale, kale. Boat, goat. Goes, nose. And fill in the blanks with and but or. Do you like apple or orange? He has bat and ball. He's rich, but he looks simple. Okay, students, you have to go through all this lesson book back exercise. Okay, those who are not paid your fees, you have to pay your fees and bring your notebooks. Okay, you have a test tomorrow, so be prepared well, students. Don't forget it. You have to prepare well and write a test in good manner. Okay, thank you, students. Keep safe at your home.